I've always been fascinated by the data we create just by living our lives. A few days ago, I was scrolling through a WhatsApp chat with one of my oldest friends, and it hit me just how much history is in there. We're talking thousands upon thousands of messages, stretching back years. We lived that story, but there are patterns within it that are impossible to see day to day. When are we most active? What are the inside jokes that bubble up again and again? I wanted to see if I could use Python to uncover the unseen patterns and visualize the true rhythm of our conversation. Before we can build anything, we need our raw material, which is the data. Getting your chat history out of WhatsApp is actually pretty straightforward. You just open the chat, go to settings and find the export chat option. You can choose to export it without media, which gives you a simple .txt file. And a quick but important note on privacy here. I'm using my own data for this project, so it's a conversation I was a part of. I would never do this with someone else's private chat. If you decide to try this, please only ever use your own data. So I exported the chat, and when I opened the text file, well, it's a wall of text. The first big challenge is to turn this unstructured text into clean, structured data. And we need to tell the computer how to recognize a new message and how to separate it into 4 distinct parts: the date, the time, the author, and the message itself. And this whole process is called data parsing. The perfect tool for this is something called a regular expression, or regex. Is it regex? I'm gonna call it regex. Think of it like a superpowered find command. In my parser file, I defined a specific pattern that matches the exact format of a WhatsApp message: a date, then a time, then a hyphen, an author's name, a colon, and finally the message content. My script reads the entire text file, and this regex pattern finds every single line that matches, pulling out those 4 key pieces of information for every message sent. Once that's done, I use the Pandas library to load everything into what's called a DataFrame. You can think of it as a clean, organized table. With our chaotic text file, now a structured dataset, I added a few helper columns, like the specific hour of the day and the name of the day of the week for each message, which will be super useful for our analysis. Now for the fun part, with our data clean, we can start asking questions and visualizing the answers. First, who sends more messages? I used Pandas to count the messages for each author, and then used Matplotlib and Seaborn to create a simple bar chart. It's a quick and clear way to see the balance of our conversation. Next, I wanted to know when we talked the most. For this, I created an activity heatmap. The script groups all the messages by the day of the week and the hour they were sent. And the heatmap shows days on one axis and hours on the other. The brighter a cell is, the more messages we exchanged in that specific time slot. This visualization instantly reveals patterns I never would have noticed otherwise. Finally, what do we actually talk about? I used the word cloud library to answer this. The script takes every single message, combines them into one massive string of text, and then generates an image where the most frequently used words appear larger. I made sure to tell it to ignore common words like the and and also chat-specific things like media omitted. So we're left with only the words that really define our conversations. Putting it all together, these visualizations aren't just charts and graphs. They tell a story. It's a data-driven story of a conversation, revealing the hidden rhythms and habits that define a friendship connection over years. Although you can't quantify everything, it shows you the shape of your connection in a way you could never see otherwise. I found this whole process incredibly rewarding, turning a simple text file into a meaningful story. If you found this interesting, please give the video a like and subscribe for more projects like this. I've put the full Python project up on my GitHub, and you can find the link in the description below. Go ahead, export your own chat, and see what stories your data has to tell. Thanks for watching.